This one state-of-the-art model will significantly help you achieve superior object detection results. Are you still getting poor object detection results in your computer vision projects? We all know the struggles. You want to train a custom object detection model. Maybe it's YOLO V4, V5, RCNN, EfficientDet. First, you need to collect images. I mean a lot of images. How much you ask? Depending on the application, you may need to collect over 10,000 images to have something that is remotely deployable for real-world applications. In addition to that, you also have to spend a lot of time and money annotating those images. Then you need to train your model only to find out that you have average results, meaning that you have to go back to get even more data so that your model is good enough, and cross your fingers hoping that your client doesn't see the flaws in your model and accepts it. It's really frustrating, like a vicious cycle. Now what if I told you that there's a state-of-the-art model that just got released and its performance in terms of speed and accuracy will help cut your data collection, annotation and training time in half. This model is so great that you'll get significantly less false positives and be more confident in presenting your object detection model to your client or employee. Want to know what it is? It is YOLO R Object Detection. If you have not heard of YOLO R, it is the state-of-the-art object detection model that is proven to be 88% faster than scaled YOLO V4 and 3.8% more accurate than PP YOLO V2. And now with YOLO R under your skill set, it will significantly put you ahead of all of the other candidates because you'll be able to produce better results for your employer or client. So if you're wanting to get the best object detection results, then you're in luck because I've just launched my free course on YOLO R, which you can enroll right now. In this free training, you'll learn what YOLO R is, how it works, and how to run YOLO R on GPU, CPU, and even Google Colab using a free cloud GPU. You'll be taught by me, Ritesh Kanji, the founder of Augmented Startups with over 89,000 subscribers, 60,000 students, and masters in electronic engineering, teaching topics in computer vision, artificial intelligence, and man-killing drone swarms. Just kidding on that last one. My online tutorials are alone one of the most viewed videos with over 7.7 million views in total, and you'll find them ranked #1 on YouTube. I've also presented at international conferences and meetups in AI and computer vision. With that said, if you're ready to get better object detection results, then click that link down below to get your free YOLO R mini course so that you can save time, save money in your object detection apps, and be more confident and proud when presenting to your clients.